Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, located right in San Jose del Cabo. This beautiful oceanfront resort has just about everything that you could possibly want in an all-inclusive, including 4 of my favorite things put together. You've got Kahlua, tequila, coffee, and whipped cream to making some flaming Mexican coffee. All those things sound wonderful. I'm really excited to see what this is all about. Let's do it. So first off, the fuego, right? That's a pretty important component to the flaming Mexican coffee, getting those nice and hot to start. We've got the 2 cups. All right, I'm thirsty already. So first step, we've got the oranges in there, spinning them around so that you can get that sugar right on the top of the rim. So you got a little sugar, a little spice, a little bit of everything nice. I'm gonna step back because, well, you know, I am a Boy Scout, but I've been known to burn things accidentally, and he's the expert, so there we go. You can smell the sugar caramelizing right now. Sorry you can't smell that. It's part of the effect for sure. Love that. Plus it's a fun science experiment as well. I remember doing that in science class, though once again, I referenced earlier, me burning things accidentally, well, any which way. And next up, some Don Julio tequila. It's one of the 4 major food groups here in Mexico, of course. Comes from that beautiful agave plant. Oh yeah. All right. I think this is where you say en fuego. All right, well, that's a lot of tequila. I'm not gonna lie, a considerable amount. Next up, you've got Kahlua, which is a coffee flavored liqueur. Comes in a lot of different drinks. I was a bartender way back in the day, just after college at the bowling alley, Empire Bowl, Redlands, California. All my people out there. All right, let's do some more flames. Oh wow, the fire's passing between the 2. Oh, the smells are intoxicating because now you've got that coffee smell from the Kahlua, you've got the alcohol smell blending together, the burning sugar. I'm ready to do this thing. You can see this, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you've got a string of fire here heading down into the cup. That's it, that's all I get? I thought I was gonna have like 8 shots in there. Just kidding, no, just kidding. It's all good. I've had a few already. Next up is of course the cafe. Time for some coffee. Oh, part of this, of course, is the visual, but the smell is absolutely phenomenal. And top it off with both my daughter and I's all-time favorite, a little bit of whipped cream. Though, of course, if this was in my house, we would have already consumed quite a bit of it. Her, not the tequila, just the whipped cream, of course. Tequila saved for mom and dad. And Kahlua. Whew. There's some more Don Julio. Ooh. I need to get some s'mores going here as well. That's awesome. And just for point of reference, we're set near the fire pits. It's a beautiful spot on the resort. If you want to see every single spot on the resort, we have a full resort tour here. But now we're moving to the cherry flambe. I love everything flambe. Cherries Jubilee, flambe, Green Bay. Got more of that fire there and the cherries roasting. Those of you who are talented enough to tie the cherry, you know, the tongue, I can't do it. Looking pretty darn good here. We've got a little bit of cinnamon right there. Little pinch of cinnamon makes everything in life better. And of course, some more fire. Oh, that's awesome. So cool. Kids, don't try this at home. He is a professional, and I'm a professional eater and drinker. You can also check out our Danny Dine segment here. We had an amazing meal with over 20 courses at Dozo, the teppanyaki and Asian restaurant as well. And now, I'm a little bit scared to dig in. I think all the flames have gone out now. Huh? Is it safe to go? Mix that up just a little bit. What better way to start the night and end the night, and frankly, start any day. Little coffee, little alcohol. Oh, the smell is unbelievable. Ah, the taste is as well. And of course, the mustache. Oh, fantastic. So if you like to find yourself here at this beautiful resort, enjoying something incredible like this, maybe the tequila bar right behind me with the waterfall feature, or any of the restaurants, pools, or set this up for a group, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with them, and we can't wait to share this beautiful place with you, your friends, and your family, and we know we can do it at an incredible value. cheers to another great filming trip, another beautiful resort, and cheers to our incredible hosts. Thank you guys so much. Fantastic. And cheers to whipped cream and alcohol.